Now, to tell you more about the concept, I want to introduce its chief designer, Ben Davidson. Ben.
Good morning. Okay, my name is Ben Davidson. I was the lead designer on this vehicle, and I'd like to introduce you to the Type S concept. Okay, so at first glance, you can see that the Type S concept continues with the proportion, style, and stance of the Precision concept, but injects a more aggressive, bold performance element. And as taking a closer look to the front end, the business end of the vehicle, it's all about performance and form follows function design. As far as details go, we can look at our newest version of the Diamond Pentagon grille with our new frameless grille construction and deeply inset open diamond mesh pattern. This really strengthens the performance intent and really clarifies our message as a brand up front. Yellow Brembos and forged carbon from front to rear on the lower. Now in the rear, approaching the rear, we have more Type S concept features on offer, dominated by an oversized quad exhaust, a lower forged carbon rear diffuser, sculpted and functional integrated spoiler, and just like the headlights, we have our new name graphic on the taillights. The cabin tapers and emphasizes the rear fenders. You can see the 285 tires give you that super aggressive and athletic stance that we all love. Front fascia that has been inspired by the NSX and Precision concept. Now, if we move to the side, I got a couple. Okay, that's fine.
So we invite you to enjoy the uniquely decadent Carweek experience, specially created. The unit has 6 Carweek crew tanks, with inspiration derived from some of the most incredible driving roads around the world. A top rare final paint routine.
Very proud, and very proud to see the future of Type S. Thank you.
– 2019 is proud to present the world's lightest electric hypercar, the most powerful production car in the world, the world's first British electric hypercar, the all-new Lotus Evija. Please welcome